Okay, guys, today we are going to learn the electric slide. It's a line dance, and it's a dance that repeats in all four directions. So it's a four-wall dance, four-wall dance. So I'm going to repeat the steps facing all four directions, come back, and I'm going to continue to go around in a circle, okay? So with dances, most of the time, dances are created in like 4 counts or 8 counts or 16 counts. All right. So you'll see like a 4 count of something, and usually that 4 count repeats to make 8 counts. And then those 8 counts make 16 counts. So that's usually how dances are created. Generally, every 32 counts, then you'll hear the music change. Okay. So we're not going to get into that big of a detail, but just an FYI to let you know. We are going to work on our counts and making sure that we create our dance in counts of 4. Okay. So I'll explain that in more detail later on. So right now we're just going to teach you the electric slide. Okay. So when we grapevine, that's the first thing you're going to need to know how to do. And when you grapevine, you are going to step with your right foot. We're going to go right and left, but we're going to step with our right foot. And I know everything is backwards when you're looking at me. So I'm going to move that direction, but when you do it, you're going to move opposite from me, so you're moving to your right. Later on, I'll turn around so you can actually copy me and go the same direction, okay? So we're going to take our right foot, step with our right foot, our weight goes on that foot. We're going to bring our left foot around the backside, and our weight goes on that left foot. We're going to put our right foot down again. Our weight goes onto that right foot, and then I'm going to tap. My weight is still on my right foot. Okay, so once again, step, behind, step, together. And my weight stays on my right foot right here. So one more time. Step, behind, step, together. If you'd rather count it rather than talking it through, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and on that 4 count right there, our weight stays on the other leg, on that right leg. Okay, so one more time. Step and step behind, step and tap. Okay, so that sets us up. So when we go the other direction and we go left, I'm going to step with my left foot. I'm going to step behind with my right foot. I'm going to step with my left foot, and I'm going to tap together. Okay, so if I put those 8 counts together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and get up. Get up, get up. And don't forget, like I said, if you are turning your cameras on, there's no testing. The testing comes in me visually watching you and giving feedback and helping you through it. If you choose not to turn your cameras on, then you're going to need to make sure you check out the Google Classroom. And you're going to have to make sure you submit some Padlets so I can assess you. Okay? All right. So here we go. We're going to go right and then left, just those 8 counts, and we're going to repeat it. Okay? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it again, but I'm going to talk you through it with words instead of counting it up. Okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step behind, step together. Step behind, step together. Step behind, step together. Step behind, step together. Okay? So you could decide in your own head how you want to say it. It doesn't matter how you say it. There's 8 distinct counts or 8 distinct steps. Don't forget that when you get to that 4 count or that 8 count and we bring our foot together, you don't want to put your weight down on it because that's the first one that's going to step, the inside leg. Okay, so when I move this direction, it's my inside leg that steps first, and I put it together. This is the inside leg that's going to move first. So I can't put my weight on it, otherwise I won't be able to step on it. Okay? All right. One last time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. However you want to count it in your head. Okay. The next counts, we are going to step back. So if you notice right here we end, we are still in that same way. I don't want to put my weight down on my leg. Okay, the weight's on my left foot because I was just moving to the left. So then our right foot goes back, our left foot goes back, our right foot goes back, and our left foot taps. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to put it all together and show you, and then we're going to get up and do it together. Here we go. So I go right, grapevine, left, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 steps back and a tap. Okay? So let's put those together. Let's all do it together. We're going to go right, we're going to go left, and we're going to go 4 steps back. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? One more time. The words in this time instead of the numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step behind, step, tap, step behind, step, tap. 4 steps back, tap. Okay, so right now, your weight should be on your right foot. Your left foot should be up because you just tapped your toe down. You're going to take your left foot. You're going to step forward, tap your right. Step backwards with your right, tap your left. So left, tap right, right, tap left. Left foot, tap with the right foot back, tap with the left foot. Okay, let's just do that part. So go ahead and stand up again. All right, so we are here. Weights on your right leg. Bend your left knee. Tap your toe down on the ground. And we're just going to step up and tap and step back and tap. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, step, tap. Step, tap, step, tap. Just get used to this. You should be doing it with me. You should be doing it with me. Okay, step, tap, step, tap. Step, tap, step, tap. Okay. That's the majority of the dance. The last part is a step and a kick, and this is where we turn and transition into that next wall, okay? When we do that, we are going to turn counterclockwise. So we're going to turn towards our left arm, okay? And then we're going to go straight into that grapevine. So I'm right here, and I have just finished my step tap. So my weight is on that right leg again. My left leg is up, tapped, okay? I'm going to step forward and put my weight on that leg. I'm going to shuffle kick the ground, okay? And I'm going to turn my body at that same time. Now it's right here. When I come down, I'm going to come straight down into that grapevine to the right, okay? So you're going to start right here. You're going to step, kick, grapevine to the right. Okay? So let's do it together. Go ahead and stand up. Okay, so I'm right here. Weight's on the right leg. Left leg is up. We're going to step, kick, grapevine to the right. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, kick, grapevine to the right. Okay, let's do it again. Reset yourself. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, kick, grapevine to the right. Okay? That's the dance. And we repeat. Okay? So we're going to try to go through it all 4 walls. Okay? We're going to try to go through it all 4 walls. This is the great thing about a 4-wall dance. If you mess up and you feel like you're off where I am at, then turn to the next wall. Remember, you're always going counterclockwise. So you're always going to your left shoulder. Turn to the next wall and wait for me to get going. And when we go grapevine to the right, catch up and start over again. Okay? All right, here we go. Everyone up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. 4 steps back. Step, tap, step, tap. Step, kick. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. 4 steps back. Step, tap, step, tap. Step, kick. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. 4 steps back. Step, tap, step, tap. Step, kick. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. 4 steps back. Step, tap, step, tap. Step, kick. Grapevine to the right. And then we're back to where we started again. Okay? So what I'm going to do right now is stick you in your rooms. I want you guys to practice. All right? And then we're going to pick up where we left off. Next class, we're going to practice next class. We're going to review this one. We're going to review the cha-cha slide next class. And then we are also going to start talking about how you will create your own dance, okay? So I've given you a little bit of information. More of your information will come next class. And I'm going to give you a template and we're going to chunk it together. So I'm going to guide you right through everything. All right. And it'll be a lot of fun. So see you guys later.